Just in it, unique, specialty, and classics. Let's take a look at this one. 1971 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super C10. And I tell you what, one of the coolest things about this truck, I got to show you right off the bat here. Look at this. Bucket seats, vinyl, olive, and that is how this truck was produced. Olive vinyl bucket seats, white exterior. So this truck looks much like it would have back in 1971 when it rolled off the Chevy dealership showroom floor. Was originally a big block truck too. Now has a 402 underneath the hood. And that's paired up with a automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact, also nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. As we take a look at the front chrome, headlight surrounds, grille. And as you can see, paint shows well. Has had a repaint along the line. Take your time looking through the still pictures of this one. Cool truck. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. I would say around 100 pictures of this car online. A more modern Chevrolet wheel. Firestone Destination radials. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this truck. You can see nice and straight. Some of the original equipment on this truck would have been ordered with. Sliding rear window, tachometer, AM/FM stereo. So pretty nicely loaded and cool truck. And you can see the paint shows well. Does not have a bunch of, major nicks, dings, or scratches. Bed is also in nice shape. Great truck for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Get in, turn the key, have some fun. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Looks like new chrome in that rear bumper. Also in nice shape. Remember, we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Maybe you can't make it to look at this one yourself. Due to time or distance, not a problem. Open door policy for those guys. Try to represent them as fairly as we can, obviously, with all the pictures that are taken from top to bottom, inside and out. Walk around video like this one. And of course, if you stick around to the very end of the video, we're going to take this car for a drive, take it down the road, put the camera in it, and kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. As we can see, the driver's side, also nice shape, no major nicks, dings, or scratches I noticed on this side. If you like watching different vehicles come through our business, don't be afraid to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what video you might get to see of what vehicle comes through. To me, this is just so cool. Olive green interior. That's the way it was ordered back in 1970 or 71. Still retains the bucket seat, center console. Mentioned tachometer earlier. There's a tach. Let's go ahead and start it up, see what gauges are looking like here. Again, 402 underneath the hood now. Tach's working. Looks like battery gauges. Temperature, that was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. Oil pressure, fuel gauge. I have not gotten the stereo to power up, and you can see we do have a Craig Citizens Band radio in here. Why not? Give it that 70s to 80s authentic look. Sliding rear window. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nothing crazy over the top as far as exhaust or anything obnoxious there. Just nice sounding truck. Like I said, get in this one, turn the key, go have some fun. You'll be able to see the little VIN placard that is riveted to the door frame, I should say. And then also in the still pictures, there'll be the, I guess, build sheet, kind of, if you will, the actual sticker that's in the glove box. Tells you how this car was equipped when it was brand new. That is the original and correct one for this truck. There's also the original manual and some warranty information. So owner's manual, some warranty information, that's still in the glove box. Take a look through the still pictures, and remember, stick around to the very end. We'll take this truck for a drive. But first, let's quick take a look at this engine bay. There's the underside of the hood, obviously nice and clean and tidy. And then the actual engine bay itself. Nothing to hide here. Again, power steering, power brakes. Look at how smooth that thing's running. Again, 402. 70s vintage big block 402. Battery disconnect for when it's in storage or maybe in between drives. Heater hose is still hooked up. Good looking engine bay. Good looking truck in general. 1971 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super 10. 507-386-1726. Number to call, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1971 Chevrolet C10. Looking good in white. And inside we've got green accents. Vinyl bucket seats with a center console in this truck. The console for storage. And an ashtray, of course. Back in 1971 you had to have an ashtray. Factory tachometer working on this truck right in the middle. That little gauge is working well. Nice acceleration. Fuel gauge working, showing less than half of a tank. Battery gauge is showing a little over half on the charge. Temperature gauge is just coming up to about a quarter of the way from cold. And oil pressure is up near high, which you do like to see. High oil pressure is good. We have a CB mounted under the dash. And it's actually working. We got somebody talking right now. Nice smooth ride in this truck. Tight steering. It does not have hardly any play in the steering, which is good to see for this era of truck. That wood grain and green does bring you back to 1971, at least it does for me. Overhead we have a nice vinyl headliner. Door panels match the seats and the carpet and the steering wheel. This truck handles nicely. Feels like suspension may have been restored or well taken care of. There's that good acceleration again. If I let go of the wheel, this truck stays nice and straight in the lane. Very good handling truck. Stock sounding. Stock handling. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.